Okay, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Ultra Boost. But before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to 20 Minutes by Lil Uzi. And this is my favorite Uzi song. And it's like one of those songs that I feel like almost everybody can agree that it's just great. It was on Love Is Rage 2, one of the best Uzi albums. And man, this is just the best song Uzi has ever made. It's really close between this one and a couple other ones, but in my opinion, this is the best one. And go listen to it. You guys probably haven't listened to it in a while since it came out, what, 2-3 years ago at this point. So go listen to it. It's awesome. And let's actually take a look at the Ultra Boost. Okay, so this is the box that the Ultra Boost come in, and if I'm being honest, I do not know the name of these. I just know that I got these for a steal. You guys are about to see, man. Retail is $180. I did not pay that. I got a size 10 because that was the only size available. I do recommend going true to size on Ultra Boost. This is a size bigger for me, but you know, it should be fine. I'll make it work. And you guys are not gonna believe how much I paid for these. Like, I got a crazy steal. $47 for a pair of Ultra Boosts that are retail is $180, man. That's crazy. Like, $47 is basically like free, bruh. Like, it is literally almost free. And to get like a pair of really dope Ultra Boosts, like for $47, that's crazy. But these are just amazing. Again, I don't know what they're called. I think they might have been like a woman's shoe. I'm not sure. I don't think so, actually. I'm not, like, I don't really know too much about these. They're just, man, for $47, like, are you really gonna like turn that down? Like, come on, man. Like, you know, you can't turn down the steal when you find one, you know? And let me actually spin these around for you guys. They're just really dope. I do have another pair of Ultra Boosts that I did a review on a little bit ago, and I wear those all the time. So just adding like another pair of Ultra Boosts is just gonna, like, you know, add some pop to an outfit, especially since it is like that pinkish red color. It's really dope. Here, let me show you guys the shoe by itself. And I got a size 10. Inside it has that same color reddish pink with Boost on it. The shoelaces are just all black with pinkish reddish aglets. I don't know, I'm gonna just call it pink for now, but it's just, you know, that pink looks so nice, man. Let me show you guys the tags in case you guys are interested in that. Just regular Ultra Boost tags. I got these from Finish Line, and again, for $47, basically free, man. It is literally basically free. Like, crazy. Material wise, this is kind of interesting because usually the other Ultra Boosts I have are like all prime knit, and this is like a different material right here. This is kind of like a suede-ish nubuck. I don't know if you can tell. It kind of moves when you move it around. Up here is like a suede material, kind of like this one, but this one's a little bit more soft. Ultra Boost is obviously right there. The top is, feels like that prime net material. Up here is like a little bit fatter, which is how it is on most Ultra Boosts, I believe. And I do believe this is reflective. I'm not sure about that, but I don't really care. I think it looks dope with that little like line right there. So man, for $47, again, like, this is just a steal. Like, you really can't like go wrong with just a pair of Ultra Boosts for $47, especially when retail is $180. Okay, let me show you guys the receipt one more time. $47, man. They were only $45, but that was tax and shit. So for $47, amazing. Obviously these are comfortable because, man, Boost is one of the most comfortable things out there, so they gotta be comfortable, man. And let me know what you guys think about these. Is this like a steal? Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. It's up there. And let's take a look at these on feet.